Hello, and what you see here is my Asus X553M laptop, and I'm going to replace the old hard drive, which is classic hard drive, with the new one, which is solid state drive. Also, I'm going to replace or to put the new RAM memory and reassemble this computer. Okay, first we are going to install the RAM memory. This is the slot for the RAM memory. This one. We take the RAM memory in this position and put it slowly. The second step is to reinstall the Wi-Fi card. Goes in this position, and now we are going to put it back the motherboard together with all the components. We have to be careful because we can damage it. Okay. And now we are going to put the screws back in their places. I'm going to use this screwdriver. Oops, I think this is then we are going. Okay, first we're gonna finish with the screws MC. Okay. And now we are going to remove this hard drive holder and put the new one here. So this is the old hard drive. This is classic one, SATA. And this is the new one. We have to open it here. It's 120 gigabyte hard drive. Okay. It is much faster than the old one because it is new technology. Okay, we put it. We put the screws back in place. Other side. And now, but before I install this one, I'm gonna put back this wire. I'm gonna plug it to the Wi-Fi card. Okay, I need to be careful here because it's very small. Okay, here we go. Now the next step is to put the hard drive back in place. Put it in this position and move it. Okay, generally I have to put the screws here in those holes, but before I do that, I'm gonna install the battery. In this position, put the okay. It's tiny. I'm gonna remove it back. I don't know what's going on here, but It's okay. Okay, generally this is all what I have to show you today. Thank you for watching. And okay, as I told you before, I have to put those wires back. One is for extra USB and audio card, and also for the fan. Now I have to put all the screws back, and generally